So I get a lot of comments and DMs like this one from teachers asking me how they can acknowledge the AAVE some of their students speak is valid and still be able to teach them the standard English that they're going to encounter on standardized testing and in the workplace. I actually have an example of that I can show you. It's something called Contrastive Analysis, and it's what the Oakland School Board tried to do back in the 90s before the whole thing blew up and everyone lost their mind and turned the term ebonics into a joke. The principle is you treat standard English like a foreign language, and you take the African American English they already know and contrast it with the standard English you want them to learn, translating between the two of them. It's also very important that you don't just do one-way translation from African American English into standard English, otherwise the children will get an idea that the way they speak at home and with their friends is invalid.
My grandpa cooked dinner every night.
Third person singular, cook. My grandpa cooks dinner every night.
Which linguistic feature is not in mainstream American English?
Third person singular.
Yes. And Marisol, how do you code switch this into mainstream American English?
My grandpa cooks dinner every night.
You just got 500 more points. We don't have nothing to do. Okay, quiet please.
We don't have nothing to do.
Oh, I'm sorry. That is not, I'll wait. That is not an accurate translation in mainstream American English. So you're at minus 400. So let me roll. Let's see which team will have an opportunity to get it. I might roll you guys again. 1, 2.
Anything. We don't have anything to do.
Excellent translation.
Thank you.